Did you guys know? Did you guys know there's still brand new Ferrari F8s? This is a brand new Ferrari F8. It has 40 miles. Customer just got it. It is probably the last more traditional looking Ferrari or something. This is that beautiful red color. Again, traditional, has a black and red interior. This is a Spider, and this is completely bone stock factory. Has pretty much every carbon fiber option on the exterior, so carbon fiber everywhere, and a lot inside too. So really nice, clean car. We ordered some wheels for it, and we are doing a full paint protection film clear brown installation on it. So we're gonna protect all the beautiful red paint on it. So yeah, we still do a lot of these regular Ferraris, regular cars, clear bras, even if we're not doing body kits. We do the standard stuff too.
All right, we have a headlight problem on this Cayenne. Bulb is brand new, but this guy over here is probably bad. Let's order one of these. Let's see if it fixes the problem. Nothing is gonna change if you just sit there. He's sitting inside the car and pretending like he's test driving it.
I'm checking the AC.
You're not checking the AC or enjoying the AC.
I'm checking the AC, see if it works.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works good.
It works, yeah. Well, guess what? The AC's always worked. Idiot. Who ran over a WD-40?
Yeah.
Oh my, hey, who did that? They ran over a WD-40.
What shit? What happened?
There's a lot of fluid in that thing. Yeah. It's crazy. Did you order the thing from Certified? No. You forgot, maybe.
Which one?
For the old Mercedes? For the spark plug?
He sent me wrong ones.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's a big one and he sent me wrong.
Do I have to tell you to correct it? You have to correct it. Just call the guy and say you sent me the wrong parts. Oh my goodness gracious, God help me. Okay, do you guys think Javier works hard or does he barely work?
It's always working.
These couple months, crazy.
Yeah, no, you've been working good for 3 months, and then the last 12 years you haven't been doing anything. It's good. Well, it's...
Rolls-Royce, STO, G53. There's a big projects, big, a lot of job.
That's good. You're getting more smarter, you're getting more knowledge, you know how to work on the cars better. You should be happy. It's free education and you're getting paid for it. Yeah? That's basically the nice way of saying that you're not gonna get a bonus.
Yeah.
You get free education. It's more valuable than money.
When I die, I take it with me.
Take it with you, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly the Forest Lawn.
We just, this is a car we actually wrapped. We did a big repair on it, and then we just wrapped it, and now he's back for some minor repairs on it that he hit something. So we're gonna put it on the lift, see what it is, and we're gonna let him know.
What are you doing?
Set up, puppy.
Set up?
Another one.
Another one?
This never stop, bro.
Widebody, Performante?
Performante. I hope we have the right parts this time, and we don't have no freaking problems with that. You know? Maybe this is my last job in RDB.
Fire me.
Yeah, they gonna fire me.
Where are you gonna go?
Work in Tijuana.
I lost 5 pounds officially. How many pounds?
3.
3 pounds?
Yeah, I'm not working out. So
We're eating our 3 o'clock snack, which is like a wheat bread something. It tastes like dessert. I'm like dying over this thing. We ate salad today. We ate apples, and then we also ate like a tomato egg scramble or something, right?
It was eggs. That was good actually. That was.
I don't know about that one. But yeah, so 5 pounds, 3 pounds. We're on the good starts. We started less than a week ago. Anyways, we have an STO heavy front end damage car that we fixed. Everything's fixed on it, and last minute realized the seatbelt tensioner actually blew. We had tested the seatbelt and everything was fine. It's working, everything, but reprogramming the airbags module system, the seatbelt gave us a problem. This is actually the tensioner, so you see that's where the seatbelt gets hold on. Right now, it works, everything, whatever, but the tensioner has powder in it, it blows. It doesn't work very efficiently because these things lock when you get into accidents. So that locking mechanism no longer works. We have been frantically searching for seatbelts for the car. They're also red, so it's a little bit difficult. And yeah, that's been our dilemma the last 2 days, finding Aragon seatbelts in a red color with non-deploy tensioners. So, Moses, hurry up.
You know what is this?
No.
Performante, carnal.
No, this is
Hey.
a Volkswagen.
Hold it right here. Exactly right there. Hold it right there. Roll the. Wake up. Performante, carnal, mira. Son of a screws. Ready for paint.
We have the Performante Urus here. Second one that we are doing. The first one, you guys already saw it. First one in the world. This is gonna be the second. Beautiful matte black Nero Nemesis color. As you can tell, this is factory matte black. When Lamborghini does their matte, they go super dull. So we're gonna have to have a lot of fun making the body kit match this thing without blending. So let's see how we're gonna do that. But here we have one of the front flares that go on the fenders. Carbon fiber on the engine, of course. And as you can see, it goes directly over the car and the flare and brings it out that much. Fitment is beautiful. We're gonna be painting this matte, and then we're actually gonna make the full theme of this car matte carbon fiber as well. So we're gonna paint a matte black and matte clear coat at the same time, and it will be matte carbon fiber all over the car. That's what we're gonna do with the theme, because it did come with all this beautiful factory matte carbon. The hood's gonna get changed. The new hoods, we removed these and we put it onto the new 1016 hood, which has the humps on the top and obviously carbon fiber. These cars have stopped taking orders, so they're gonna be super limited.
Hold the front right there, please. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, right there.
So they're gonna be super limited, can't order them anymore. Also, you can't even get that carbon fiber hood that people wanted. So we have some really cool special wheels that we especially made for it as well that are coming. We're gonna have to cut out the parking sensor holes, stuff like that. Luis right now is doing all the little test fitting before we move it into the paint. He has a lot more cars. He has a red Performante Urus on the wait list next, and then he has 2 Range Rover wide bodies to also finish, and then he's got the red Liberty Walk Aventador to finally work on, and then he also has a G63 pickup truck he needs to work on.
And after that?
And after that, no.
Whatever.
While you're doing all that, you don't think other cars are gonna come? Oh, not until we have free time. When we get free time, yeah. And when I bring Carlos back.
Bring it tomorrow, please.
This is vacation.
Huh?
You drinking Monster at work is a vacation. What is that? Hey, he's eating a Milky Way and chocolate milk, and all I've ate is a salad. These are our new RDB swim shorts. It has the repeat RDB logos all over it. It has pockets on the sides. Really proud of the inner liner, because this inner liner, if you guys obviously wear swim shorts, inner liners are very annoying. These are insanely soft. It feels like cotton soft. And then we even have this inside pocket right here. This is a size medium. These are a little different because it's actually kind of tight here. So around the thighs, it's pretty tight. Usual swim shorts are really open. These are tight and they're super elastic. So I could do anything with them. It's gonna be online now. Go on there. Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Luxury Rolls-Royce Phantom 2023. Brand new car, special order for my client. He spec'd this beautiful vehicle out. It is the regular wheelbase, it's not the extended, so we don't have that reclining option, but still plenty of leg room. And you will notice this interior is insane. This is a full factory car. It is Charles blue interior, which is like a baby blue. And it has a lot of white accents, black accents, beautiful combination to match the exterior. The exterior is a crystal over Arctic white. So it has the crystal paint in it. It's a special feature from Rolls-Royce, and only, it's a special order item. So you got to specially pick that. I think it's like a $20,000-$30,000 option. It sparkles in the sun a lot. It has a blue stripe going around the car as well, which is really nice. We ordered the new Mansory full face wheels for it, 24-inch. They are arriving in a week. We're also going to do a full paint protection film clear bra on this thing. It deserves it. It needs a full paint protection, and we're going to be doing that. We might also do the full steering wheel in Charles blue. The customer ordered steering wheel Charles blue, however, it came just standard black, so they messed up on that order, and we might remove it and reupholster it all in Charles blue for him, but we'll see. We'll show you guys that if we actually do it. But yeah, this interior, beautiful. I love the Rolls Royces with the full colored interior, especially when you do the headliner. A lot of people just do the regular seats, they don't do the headliner. So now people have caught on and they're doing more of the colorful interiors, and this is beautiful. So hope you guys like it.
He thinks he's Raphael from the Ninja Turtles. Look at him. One of his arms is longer than the other one. I don't get it. Somebody really did a horrible job on his tattoo. It's supposed to be a wolf, but it looks like a cat. Nothing, you're good. Oh, I would eat Panda Express so bad right now. Man. Panda Express, orange chicken, chow mein, fried rice, a lot of soy sauce and hot sauce, and wash it down with a Dr. Pepper. Why does it sound like Nintendo in here? There's a million sounds and stuff.
The reason I'm calling you is that Sarkis said he blocked you and he no longer speaks to you. He said you wouldn't sell him wheels.
Yeah, because of you guys. What do you want me to do?
What? Nobody said don't sell him wheels.
Yes, you did.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.